Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info, and when it's ready, open it. Now from this app you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!